We're going on the Sky Wheel in Cancun, Mexico. But first, coffee.
Yes, if you found the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum and tour, just keep walking past it and go all the way down to the right and you're at the Sky Wheel. So that's an easy way to find it if you're in Cancun.
Help! 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 They are dragging me onto the Sky Wheel.
It's gonna be okay. So yeah, we've been on a couple of these and KJ still has nightmares. He's not a big fan of heights, although usually he's fine. But we went on the one in Las Vegas and it is super tall. It's called the High Roller. And he was like holding on to the center pole in this room-sized cabin that we're in. And then we went on one in St. Louis, and he just refused to look down, of course. But it's about better. Yeah, it's about this size. Yeah. So
this one's about the same size as the one in St. Louis. So.
Yeah, you can check those videos out here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're going to try to get him on this one here in Cancun, and we're going to drag a friend along with us. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun to see Cancun from the sky.
I agree. I think it will be.
Let's give it a shot. KJ is convinced he's gonna die.
Para brindarle la mejor experiencia posible, presten mucha atención a
¿Tú eres miedo? Tú tienes miedo. He's scared. He'll be okay. He has friends here. And someone who loves him. Hey y'all!
I'm actually okay. It's really didn't freak me out, so I'm doing very well, and it's very beautiful. Oh my gosh, to see Cancun from that upper vantage point is amazing.
We have stopped.
No, we haven't stopped. It's still going.
Oh.
We're just at the top. We are now at the very, very top.
Look straight down.
No.
Wow, look at that. And that is our hotel. Right there. Wow. You can see the whole strip. So that was not as bad as we thought, and the sun came out while we were up here. It was raining, and then the sun pops out through the clouds, and it is absolutely beautiful. So this was definitely worth it, and you can really see the layout of how Cancun is kind of situated. You can see the small islands, you can see the strip, you can see the hotel zone, you can see as far as the eye can see. So it was really, really interesting to me to get to see this from the sky. I think it was worth every penny. Plus, it's just beautiful, and I loved it. So, what did you think, KJ?
I think it was amazing. I mean, really, really cool. And y'all know I'm afraid of heights, so I don't do these Ferris wheels very well. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. I agree with Craig. It was like very, very beautiful, and the just being able to see the way that the islands and the peninsula is, it's really, really cool. So I highly recommend. And I think they're about to make us get off.
Yes.
Bye.